Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is me Zeeshan Hurmaz and back with another hot videos. Today just want to talk about NFT. How can you make an NFT and earn money from this NFT easily in any market like OpenSea and MetaMask and as well as in Binance. So I will be make separate video about that how can you sell out in the market, but right now I just want to give some important detail. How can you make an NFT easily in just 10 minutes, almost 100 NFTs. So let's get start recording. How can we make an NFT? But if you want to make a new NFT, if you want to looking for a new NFT, so you must be subscribing, because I will be show you in the Adobe Photoshop how can you make a separate main parts of the NFT in Adobe Photoshop. So I will upload second video about that, but right now I'm just looking for the how can we easily create any project. And first of all, if you click on the link in the description, so you will be directly come to this one page, and after that you simply create account right over here. It is too much simple. First of all, you placed a username, and after that you place simply email and password. After that you will be account will be create easily in this website, and after that you simply click on that, and you simply click on your projects, because if you look, there's different type of projects who are already done by them, but I'm just looking for a new project. And you can see right over here, if you click on the main your projects, you will be directly come to this one page. And if you are new to in channel, so please subscribe my channel for more interesting video, and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. So I will be placed one link in the main descriptions box. So if you click on that, you will be directly come to this one page, and you simply click on this file, download the NFT files. But right now I'm just giving the hint how can you make an NFT. But if you want to do something new, so you must be subscribing. I'm uploaded second video about that how can you create a different parts for an NFT. So first of all, I'm just click on the add the group, and I'm just right over here NFT. Right here, if you look to, I'm just go right NFT, and after that you can see right over here NFT, and I'm going to enter that. After some time later, you can see our NFT are added. I'm just want to click on that, and now I'm just adding a different type of layers. And first of all, background, and you can also add different type of more layers. And so right here you can see I'm just adding a different type of layers. You can see right over here, I'm already told about at the start of this video. You can see right here, you simply click on the download the NFT files. So if you click on the on that, then you will be directly come to the NFT Punk generations. So if you come to this one, you simply go to your download section and simply right click on that and extract here. So if you click on that, you will be directly simple open this one main important page. So I'm just looking for that, and I'm come to the main page of the NFT creations. So I'm just click on the background. So right here you can see, if you click on the main background sections, so right here you can see I'm just clicking on that, and after that I just want to open that, and I'm clicking on background, and I want to scroll that from here and drop the file anywhere. So I'm just looking, I am just click on the main suit. After that, so if you click on the suit, after that you directly come to the main right here in the file sections, and you simply copy that, and again you come to the main page, and you can simply scroll and place any right over here, and again go to the shoulders, and again you can directly go to the main right here in shoulder sections, and you can simply copy that, and again you can drop the file anywhere. And like over here you can do with all like this. So if you do same process with all, you can see right here, first of all you can simply add the background, and after that suit and shoulders, and you can do same process with all of these. After that you simply click on the generate the image, and if you click on that, you just simply wait for some time, and you can see want to new ways to sell NFTs. We are looking for partners to help beta test or once click NFT development and marketplace. Right here you can see, if you want to add. Right here you can see how many unique images do you want to generate, but I just want to add almost 100 NFTs right here. And if you want to create on ERC 721, and if you want to generate on Solana network, so it's all depend upon you if you want to click on that. So you simply, your NFT will be sell on this one network, and if you want to click on this, so your NFT will be sell on Solana network. But I'm just looking for it and just want to click on that, and after that I just want to click on the generate, and after some time they can just take us some time, and after that they will be directly generate my NFTs, and you simply wait for that. So you can see right over here our NFT are generating and our file are downloaded. So I'm just looking for, and just want to go to the main download section, and I'm just copying that from here to main folders. Right here I just want to click on copy, and I just want to, right here you can see I'm just to create a new folder for that, and just right now open that and paste it here. And after that you simply click on the extract button, extract here. So if you click on that, you can see right over here they just take us some time, and after that you simply click on images. So you can see how can you generate many NFT with seconds, almost 100 NFTs just in 10 minutes. So this is all detail about, but if you want to create something new, so you must be subscribe my channel, because I'm in the second video I am just giving you all detail about that, how can you create the suit, and how can you create the main hairs, and how can you create the main heads, and how can you main the pins. So I'll be give you complete detail in the second video, but right now I'm just told about that how can you create 100 NFT within seconds. And if you want to sell out them, so you simply sell them on Binance, and as well as from in MetaMask and C opens. So this is all detail about that. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. So let's get started. Thanks a lot, thank you so much, thanks for watching, see you in next video.